Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as most of you know, Area 51 has gotten a lot of attention lately because 2 million plus people plan on invading it on September 20th. I'm really eager to see if that actually happens because I want to know what the government intends to do about 2 million plus people invading a top government facility. So I decided to make my own alien look today, inspired by all the memes and the whole situation. And without further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. For the record, I'm wearing a tube top, so I'm not naked. Alright, I blocked out my eyebrows. If you want to know how I did that, I will leave the video that I followed in the description below. And I'm just going to begin by applying a light layer of my ColourPop foundation, and then I'm going to paint myself green. Now I'm going to paint myself green using the neon pigment from Make Up a Murder. I'm just going to use a dark green eyeshadow to map out all the contours and shading and my eyes. Now I'm going to darken up the shading even more with a darker brown and a black. Now I'm going to begin shading with black, and when I do that, I'm also going to fill in my eyes. Alright, so I'm pretty much done with the look. I just have to do lips and highlighting in some areas. So for highlight, I'm going to do a white highlighter, I guess. I don't really have any green ones, I don't believe. Unless I have a green glitter, that'd be really cool. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna use this color from the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I look scary and I like it. My collarbone shading did not go how I wanted it to, so I'm just going to not show that when I post this. So I'm going to top off this highlight with Marshmallow from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. Alright, now I'm going to style my hair and put on a shirt. Maybe. Not sure yet. I'm going to figure that out. And then I'll just be right back. So here's the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon so you never miss out when I upload, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!